Good morning, students. Welcome to the first session. I think all are safe. Stay home, stay safe. Now, in previous class, already we are completed up to 52 problems. Now I am going to discuss that 53 onwards in level 1. See the question, how to do that? How to do that problem? Integration. Denominator 1 plus cos x is there, but numerator 1 minus cos x. So numerator I am writing 1 plus cos x minus 2 cos x. 1 plus cos x minus 2 cos x means that is 1 minus cos x only. Now denominator cos x into 1 plus cos x dx. So in numerator 1 plus cos x, take 1 unit and split that 1 plus x, 1 plus cos x, 1 plus x, 1 plus cos x cancel. We get 1 by cos x minus cos cancel. We get 2 by 1 plus cos x dx. 1 by cos x means that is secant x dx minus 2 into integration 1 plus cos x formula 2 cos square x by 2 dx. 2 to cancel, cos square x by 2, 1 by cos square x by 2 we can write secant square x by 2. This is secant x dx minus integration secant square x by 2 dx. Now observe that what is integration secant x? Integration secant x formula log of modulus secant x plus tan x minus integration secant square x by 2, that is tan x by 2, but x coefficient 1 by 2 is there right in denominator, plus c. Okay, that is equal to, this is same. Here we get our denominator 1 by 2 is going to numerator, means 2 into tan of x by 2 plus c. So observe the options. Which option is correct? First option is correct. See this? These type of problems are important, particularly in mains. This year not given, only 1 or 2 problems given, and January they are given 4-5 problems. How to do this? See the right hand side also given here. This is here x square, x power 4, x power 6 is there. How it is possible? So I am doing like this. In first term, I am going to take common x common. Remaining what will come? X plus 2x cube 3x power 5 into 1 plus x square plus x power 4 whole power 1 by 2 dx. Now these x send to inside of the second term. In second term already power 1 by 2 is there. That means root. So now I am writing first term 3x power 5. So outside x, it's going to inside the root means it's going to change x square or not. Multiply with x square now. X square, x power 4, x power 6. Whole power 1 by 2 dx. See the question in right hand side. X square, x power 4, x power 6 came or not? That means ABC value equal. Equal to what is that value? We don't know. Now we want to observe that. Let x square x power 4 plus x power 6 take some constant t. Apply the differentiation. 2x plus 4x cube plus 6x power 5 dx is equal to dt. Now, but observe here, x 2x cube 3x power 5. That's why 2 take common. We get x plus 2x cube plus 3x power 5 into dx. I am taken 2 common, send to right hand side. It is going to dt by 2. Now go to the original question. Integration t power 1 by 2. Remaining value is dt by 2. Now apply the integration 1 by 2. Integration t power 1 by 2. T power 3 by 2 divided by 3 by 2 plus c. Here 2 to cancel. Next step. 1 by 3 is equal to 1 by 3 into t means what we are taken x square plus x power 4 plus x power 6 whole power 3 by 2 plus c. Now observe the question in right hand side, this part. So what is k value here? By comparing both, k value is 1 by 3 and a value, b value, c value that is equal to 1 and power p is 3 by 2. So these are the values. So which option is correct? Second option is correct. Students, are you understood now? Next question, 55. See the question, what they are given. If the primitive of 1 by f of x is equal to log f of x whole square plus c, then f of x is primitive means integration only. So they are given integration 1 by f of x dx, that is equal to, answer also given, logarithm of f of x whole square plus c. But what is f of x they are asking? So integration and differentiation both are inverse process. Okay, now differentiate on both sides. Differentiate on both sides. What happens? See, derivative integration is going to cancel. We get 1 by f of x, that is equal to, in right hand side, derivative of log f of x whole square. First, what is derivative of logarithmic function? 1 by f of x. 1 by x, that is whole square. Internal derivative, f of x whole square means 2 into f of x into f dash of x. Student, are you understood? plus constant is there. Derivative of constant is 0. Now, see the cancellation process. One f of x is cancelled. Here also f of x is cancelled. Then what we can do? So finally we got f dash of x value is 1 by 2. Yes or no? Now apply the integration on both sides. Integration f dash of x dx, that is equal to integration 1 by 2 dx. So here integration derivative is going to cancel. We get f of x, that is equal to integration 1 by 2 dx. 1 by 2 into x plus some constant. Already here I am written c. That's why I am going to write another constant by observing the options. That is d. This is the answer. Once again, see that the primitive of 1 by f of x is equal to logarithmic function f of x whole square plus c. Primitive means integration only. So integration 1 by f of x dx is equal to log f of x whole square plus c given. Apply the differentiation on both sides. In left hand side, integration derivative is going to cancel. We get 1 by f of x is equal to logarithm of f of x whole square. Do the differentiation. Finally, f dash of x value is 1 by 2. Integration f dash of x dx is equal to integration 1 by 2 dx. So we want to eliminate the derivative, means apply the integration. So we get the answer. 56th question. See here, g of x is an antiderivative of f of x, that is equal to 1 plus 2 power x log 2. Antiderivative means that is integration only. Antiderivative means integration only. Integration g of x dx, that is equal to, they are given 1 plus 2 power x. Sorry, a small correction. G of x is, that means g of x is equal to antiderivative of f of x. Antiderivative of f of x value is 1 plus 2 power x log 2. This is the meaning of that. Okay. Now apply the integration. Integration 1 dx x plus, here log 2 is constant, take outside. Integration 2 power x by log 2 plus some constant. So here log 2 cancel, remaining g of x, that's equal to x plus 2 power x plus c. But observe the question, y is equal to g of x given. So I am taken y. Y is equal to g of x is equal to x plus 2 power x plus c. And it is passing through minus 1 comma 1 by 2. That means here we need to find c value. These type of models important in mains. What is y value? 1 by 2, that is equal to x value minus 1 plus 2 power minus 1, that is 1 by 2 plus c. Here observe that 1 by 2 cancel. Then what is c value? C value should be 1. Now substitute there. Y is equal to x plus 2 power x plus 1. And meets y-axis given. Meets y-axis. So this is meets y-axis. Y-axis. On y-axis, x coordinate 0 or not? Now substitute that x is equal to 0. Then what is y value? 0. 2 power 0, 1. That is 1. So finally, y value is 2. Therefore, where the curve is meets y-axis means the point we need to find. X is equal to 0 comma x comma y is equal to 0 comma 2. At this point the curve is intersect y-axis. So which option is correct, students? Second option is correct. Second option is correct. Next question. See that 57th question. The equation of a curve passing through origin is given by one equation given, that is y is equal to integration x cube cos power 4 x dx. Now cos x power 4 dx, sorry, here I am written mistake, cos x power 4 dx. So that means how to solve this? Let x power 4 is equal to t. Now apply the differentiation. 4x cube dx is equal to dt. Finally, x cube dx is equal to dt by 4. Okay, students. Now y is equal to integration cos t into dt by 4. Now y is equal to 1 by 4 integration cos t sin t. T means what? X power 4 plus c. And it is passing through origin given in the question. The equation of a curve passing through origin. That means in place of x and y substitute 0, sin 0 also 0, plus c. Overall c value is 0. Okay. Now we got the answer. Y is equal to 1 by 4 into sine of x power 4. So this is the y value. But see the question what they are asking. X is equal to gy. X is equal to gy. That means they are asking inverse function. So x we want to separate here. 4y. And sine also send this side. Sine inverse. Sine inverse of 4y is equal to x power 4. Then what is x? 4th root of sine inverse 4y. X means what? G of y only. How we know that? Already given in the question. So finally g of y is equal to 4th root sine inverse 4y. Which option is correct? Third option. I am going to next question. 58. See this question. How to do that? The function f of x whose graph passes through the point 0 comma 7 by 3 and whose derivative is x into under root 1 minus x square is given by. So here derivative of function given, that meaning is dy by dx, y is equal to f of x, that is the one curve. Dy by dx is equal to x into under root 1 minus x square given. D of y, that is equal to x into under root 1 minus x square dx. Apply integration. D of y, that is equal to integration. So here x 1 minus x square whole power 1 by 2 dx. This is how to do that. 1 minus x square is equal to t. Then what happened? Minus 2x dx is equal to dt. X dx means how much? Minus dt by 2. Those values substitute. Here, derivative integration is cancelled. We get y is equal to integration t power 1 by 2 into minus dt by 2. So y is equal to minus 1 by 2. Integration t power 1 by 2 means that is t power 3 by 2 divided by 3 by 2. 2 to cancel plus c. This is important. Now here I am writing y is equal to minus 1 by 3 into what is t? 1 minus x square whole power 3 by 2 plus c. And this curve is passing through 0 comma 7 by 3. It is passing through 0 comma 7 by 3. Now substitute in place of x 0, in place of y 7 by 3. 7 by 3, that is equal to minus 1 by 3 plus c. Then what is c value? Tell me directly. 8 by 3. Okay. Now substitute c value. Minus 1 by 3 into 1 minus x square whole power 3 by 2 plus 8 by 3. By observing the options, see that take minus 1 by 3 common. Remaining is 1 minus x square whole power 3 by 2 minus 8. This is the y function. That means f of x function. F of x is equal to y only now. So here I am writing f of x. Students, which option is correct? I think third option is correct. Third option, no, third option not correct. First option is correct. First option is correct because first option 1 minus x square is there. Third option x square minus 1 is there. Question 59th one. See the 59th one, how they are given. First observe the question. Integration sine square x secant square x plus 2 tan x sine inverse x into under root 1 minus x square divided by root 1 minus x square into 1 plus tan square x. So many terms are there here, but one by one we can eliminate. How? See, sine square x, sine square x. Here secant square x is there. Secant square x means that is 1 plus tan square x. So secant square x 1 plus tan square x is cancelled. Remaining is under root 1 minus x square plus. Here observe that root 1 minus x square, root 1 minus x square cancel. 2 tan x by 1 plus tan square x formula, that is sine 2x into root 1 minus x square, root 1 minus x square cancel. Remaining is sine inverse of x.